welcome back to my channel. This is NASRA. If you're new here, come on right in. And as you can see, we have another background right here. I have a new bed and I am redoing my bedroom. So before we jump into this video, if you have any tips how to decor my wall behind me or on this side, let me know, comment down below. And on this video I wanted to do this cut crease look, and if you want to know how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So the only thing I'm gonna do in this video is the eyeshadow. I'm going to use Makeup Forever Patricia Bright palette. This is it. I've shown you in my previous video. So I'll be going with natural colors today. I think I'm gonna do a cut crease, but not shimmery or shiny, but matte. I will start with this color right here. I am about to go to my mom's place, so I thought, you know what, the sun is out, so let me do this video quick and get that daylight instead of the lightings. You guys, it's only 2 weeks away from Christmas. I can't believe the year has flown by. I saw a meme last night saying, I can't believe March is going to be in 3 months. I'm still processing last March. Well, that's what I feel. I'm gonna go for a natural look today. Not too much, not heavy makeup because it's daylight. Drag it until there. I feel like my strings are not matching today. Press it gently and not too heavy. Just like that. I like to drag it until the end of my eyebrow right here. That's the first color. So the second color I'm going in with, it's this color right here. It's called 100% Cocoa, and the one that I use is the Biggest Fan. With the second color, I'm just going to, you see where my eyelid is folded? So right there, when you open your eyes, it's going to be like this, and when you close it, it's going to gigaboo. I don't know how else to explain this. Like I mentioned before, I am not a professional makeup artist. I'm just doing this for fun. As you've noticed, I am using the same brush, and since I've done the light color first and going with a darker color, you can use the same, but if you're going all the way around, feel free to use any other brush, otherwise you are so going to mess up your look, and we don't want that. This is going to be a cut crease. You know what, let me put this just behind my ear, and this one as well. Where is it? Here. Okay, that is out of the way. Okay, so this is done. The next step I'm gonna do is to grab my flat brush and take concealer and put it all over my lid in order to do the cut crease. The concealer is there, and I put it all over, and I am going to grab another brush, a flat brush like this, and we'll go in with No Days Off. Let's see how that will turn out first. If not, I can go in with another color. Okay, I feel like this color, it will be the same as the color I put on the lid there. Let's see. Yeah, okay, what other color do I want to go with? I will dab this first because the concealer is a bit wet. Okay, not, I can grab another brush, blending brush, and let's see how this color will turn out. If not, I can go for another color. Okay, I'm not loving this. You know what, change of plans. Let me go in first. Okay, let me finish the other side and then I can just go with a shimmer. I wanted to do matte cut crease today, but the colors weren't working as I wanted to, so I tried this look, but at this point I feel like I'm Cleopatra, so I will go with another color on top of it to make it less shimmery, if you know what I mean. Okay, for this color I used Darlings, this one, and let me try to go in with Shining or You Are Gold. Okay, going in with You Are Gold. Let's see how that will turn out. I feel like this is the same color. Okay, on the outer corner of my eyes, I'm going to use Brown Sugar or Irreplaceable. That's the name of it. Let me try first with Brown Sugar. This will work. Here we go. That works just fine. Alright, this is the look. And I put the brown sugar color here and I corrected a little bit on the outer corner, and the only thing I'm going to do is to use my eyeliner, and I'll be using this Essence eyeliner. I put the eyeliner and now I will put my eyelashes. I'm using lash adhesive that is latex free. You know what, let me do this off camera and I will be right back. All right, I put my lashes on and I will go in straight away with blush to finish the look. I'll be using my Chanel blush. Right, this should be your look, and you can decide whatever you want on your lips. And for me, I'm thinking, shall I go all the way nude or bring a little bit of color? I can go with red. What do you think? Okay, let me try this color. This is Anastacia Beverly Hills, and this is in shade, let me see, Pastel Coral. That can work. So I chose the darker lip liner to make it not too orangey. Alright, this is the finished look and I am obsessed with this lip color. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I love how this look turned out, and in the beginning I was like, okay, what am I going with this? I have no idea how the eyeshadow look will turn out, but it turned out to be really great. So as I mentioned before, trust the process. You have no idea how the look is going to end, but once you put your lashes, it's going to look fabulous, as you can see right now. And I feel like this lip color is complementing the look really good. So yeah, this is the finished look, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so. And this is my Instagram, I'll put it right here. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all up on the next one. Thank you, bye.